In this video, I want to show you how to get your Litter Genie Easy Roll started. You flip it over, stick the bags on the bottom, and when you flip your Litter Genie back over, you reach through, pull the bags up and around the holders at the top. Here I'm going to show you how to properly open the lever. There is a button, so you don't have to force it out. It comes out really easily when you use that button. And here you see me securing the bag and getting the Litter Genie ready to use. You can also put on the scoop handle as shown here, which is a nice touch. And there's also a handle on the back of the Litter Genie, which makes transporting it from room to room really easy. So that's a nice touch. Here you see the Litter Genie Easy Roll in action. I'm going to apply some of my cat's goodies to the receptacle on the inside, close the lid, pull out the lever, and close the lever back, and then you will see that the mess is gone. I can't recommend this enough.